#iPhone safe for leaks, price, and release date. Everything you should know. The buzz around the iPhone safe for is growing, and for good reason. With leaks, rumors, and expert insights giving us a clearer picture, it looks like Apple's upcoming budget-friendly iPhone might be its best value offering yet. From a sleek new design to major performance upgrades, there's a lot to be excited about. So, what can we expect? Let's break it down. #*** a modern design ****. If you love the design of the iPhone 14 but don't want to pay flagship prices, the iPhone safer might be just what you're looking for. Reports suggest it will feature slim bezels and a ***6.1-inch OLED display ***, a big upgrade from the LCD screens in previous same models. This means deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and a premium viewing experience for streaming, gaming, or everyday use. Apple seems to be moving away from older designs, so expect a phone that looks just as stylish as higher-end models, all while maintaining its affordability. #*** performance that packs a punch ****. The iPhone SE lineup has always delivered high-end performance at a lower price, and the safer continues that tradition. Rumors indicate it will be powered by Apple's ***A18 Bionic chip ***, the same processor expected in the iPhone 16 lineup. This means flagship level speed *** for multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps ***8GB of RAM for smooth performance long-term software support from Apple. For anyone looking for a powerful, budget-friendly iPhone, this could be a game changer. #*** major camera upgrades The SE series has always had decent cameras, but the safer could take things to a whole new level with a rumored *** 4.8MP rear camera *** a huge leap from the 1.2MP cameras in P. This means sharper, clearer, and more detailed photos, even in low light. On the front, expect a ***1.2MP selfie camera ***, ensuring high-quality video calls and social media content. #*** battery life and 5G connectivity ***. Battery life is another area where the SE4 is expected to improve. Larger battery *** combined with the efficient A18 chip means all-day performance. The device will also feature Apple's in-house 5G modem promising faster speeds and better connectivity while keeping costs down. #** expected price and release date The iPhone SE4 is expected to launch in early 2025 possibly in the spring. Pricing is rumored to be in the $400–500 range making it a great option for those who want a modern iPhone without paying flagship prices. #** key features and FAQs Will the iPhone SE4 have wireless charging? Yes, but it likely won't support MagSafe. What about the refresh rate? The display is expected to remain at *60 Hz rather than the smoother 120 Hz seen on Pro models. Will there be multiple storage options? Yes, likely starting at 64GB, with 128GB and 256GB variants available. Will it have Face ID or Touch ID? Reports suggest Touch ID in the power button similar to some iPads. Final thoughts with flagship level performance, a modern design, and a competitive price, the iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be an excellent budget iPhone While it won't have every premium feature, it offers incredible value for those who want a powerful, reliable iPhone without breaking the bank. Would you consider buying the iPhone SE4, or are you waiting for a higher-end model? Let's discuss in the comments. This version keeps the key information intact while presenting it in a fresh and original way. Let me know if you need any tweaks.